Hello, dear students. Today we are going to see the question and answers of the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair, Class 7 NCRT. Okay, so let's check out the questions and answers and its meanings. So we are in page number 128, comprehension check. Question is asking, I got up early for me. It implies that number 1, he was an early riser, he was a late riser, he got up late in that morning. Okay, students, so here the answer is he was a late riser. That's why he is saying that I got up early. Okay. Question number 2. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffly after lunch. The remark is number 1. Humorous, inaccurate, sarcastic, enjoyable, meaningless. So, students, here the answer can be humorous, sarcastic, and enjoyable. But humorous seems more good, so I have kept the answer humorous. Number 1. Okay. Question number 3 asking, friend shook the bicycle violently. Find 2 or 3 sentences in the text which express the author's disapproval of it. So, answer is the sentence which express the author's disapproval on friends shook the bicycle violently is number 1, don't do that, you will hurt it. Number 2, I didn't see why he should take it. It had not done anything to him. Number 3, besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. Okay, students, so this was the answers in the question. The writer is just asking that he didn't want that his friend should look onto his bicycle, but he was just violently looking into the bicycle. The author didn't like it. As you know, we all of us, I mean, we all will never like that if some person will violently shake or uninterruptedly he disturbs our work or our property, right? Okay. Question number 4 asking dot dot dot, if not it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? So the answer is if not it would make a serious difference to the machine. It refers to the little ball bearings of the cycle which author's friend unscrewed. Okay, students, so here in the answer it is referred to the ball bearings which his friend has just unscrewed, just to unnecessarily he was wanted to repair the bicycle. Yes, okay. So now we are in question and answer session. So the first question is, did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. So the answer is, in my opinion, the front wheel of the bicycle didn't really wobble. Occasionally it does, but the author was fully satisfied with his bicycle. Okay, students, so as you also know from the story that the bicycle was just occasionally wobble and the writer was very much satisfied with his bicycle and he did not want any kind of repairment. That's why also he is not giving much attention to that also. But his friend unnecessarily come and started repairing it. That make the bicycle from good to worst. Okay. Question number 2. In what condition did the other, oh, here it will not be other, it will be author. Okay. So, in what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? So, the answer is, when the author returned from the tool shed, he found the man playing with the bicycle and twiddling it round his fingers. The remaining parts of the machine were lying on the path beside him. So this is very funny, right, students? Like when the author was come out from the tool shed, then he saw that his friend was just twisting his fingers in the bicycle and he has just unscrewed the parts and unscrewed the parts of the machine, and that machines were just lying on the path beside. And this is shocked the author that he saw the machine in a good condition and now is in the bad condition. Okay. Question number 3 asking, nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. So the answer is, the author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was facing difficulty in putting it back to its place. Okay, students. So here in the question number 3, it is saying that nothing is easier than taking care of the gear case. So in that sense, it seems that the author's friend took out the gear case very easily, but since he was not a mechanic, and so he was facing difficulty in putting that gear case back to its place. Okay. Question number 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? Answer. The special treatment to the chain was when he tightened the chain till it would not move. Next, he loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. So, actually, what happened? The author's friend, when he took care of, when he was repairing of the front wheel, then gear case, then he started repairing the chain. But instead of making that chain, tightening it, he tightened it so hard that it didn't started moving, and in so after that he started to losing it. So in that case, he just loosened it twice as it was before. So that was the special treatment for the chain that was given by the author's friend. Okay. Question number 5. The friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which means the same. The answer is, cherry confidence and inexplicable hopefulness are the two phrases which respectively show that the author's friend knew what he was doing and was absolutely sure that it was good. So students, here the two phrases are cherry confidence and inexplicable hopefulness. Okay. Okay, so the last question. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentences in the text and write them. So the answer is, the fight between the man and the machine is described given below. Answer. The author's bicycle was in a fine condition, but his friend found unnecessarily some fault. Okay, here it will be twice I have written found. So here it will be, the answer is, the author's bicycle was in a fine condition, but his friend unnecessarily found some fault and started walking on it. One moment the bicycle was on the gravel path and he on top of it. The next moment the position was reversed. So he became happy with his victory after the bicycle was firmly fixed between his legs. So students, here this was the fight between the man and the machine, when his friend was like bullying the bicycle, but he was failed to repair the bicycle, so he just throw all his tantrum to the bicycle and considering himself as a victory and victorious. Okay, so this is just an humorous thing only. Okay, you all can laugh on it. Okay. Okay, dear students, so here we have completed all the question and answers of this chapter, a bicycle in a good repair. So I am expecting from you that you all will write in your notebook with the correct spelling and just learn this question and answers and read it so that your pronunciation will be good and far better. Okay, and all the very best for your studies and happy Dashera. Stay safe, stay happy.